Top 6 Carpet Cleaning Hacks that Work Wonders. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. You are well aware that no other surface at your place attracts dust and tough stains like your beautiful rug. Despite that fact, however, the soft and cozy feeling the carpet provides is worth your cleaning effort. Wouldn't it be great if you knew smart carpet cleaning tricks you could employ in each situation? Watch to discover the amazing hacks to rely on when your carpet requires a good cleanup. Number 1. Treat stains carefully. Surely you love your fluffy carpet and ugly stains are the last thing you want to see on the surface. Yet once a spill occurs, suppress your initial reaction to rub the stain, but blot it instead. Otherwise, you would push dirt deeper inside carpet's fibers, making your cleaning job more difficult to tackle. To blot the spot like a pro, work from its edges towards the center and use a clean white towel or paper towels. Number 2. Remove pet hair with a squeegee. Having a furry pet friend at home guarantees that sooner or later that pet hair would end up on the carpet. Despite what many people believe, short-haired pets and a carpet are the worst combinations, because their fur sticks to the carpet and even a vacuum cleaner can't clean the rug perfectly. Fear not, just grab your squeegee and wet its blade. Go over your carpet with the tool and the fur would follow your moves. Collect the hairs and get rid of the mess until your next cleaning session. Number 3. Heal carpet dents. Another issue that carpets often face is those ugly dents that ruin its outstanding appearance. Here is a clever hack to help you restore your carpet's perfect vision. Simply place an ice cube in the dent and wait for a few minutes for the fibers to lift. To avoid that problem in the future, put furniture pads under your pieces so that they wouldn't dent the carpet. Number 4. Create a natural carpet cleanser. Are you a fan of eco-friendly cleaning techniques? If you are, you would take advantage of this homemade carpet cleaning solution to eliminate various stains with. Throw away your store-bought detergents and mix water, a quarter cup of vinegar and half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in a spraying bottle. To add a lovely scent to your mixture, include a few drops of essential oils in the recipe. Next time you need to tackle a stubborn carpet spot, stay on the green side and go for your DIY product. Number 5. Opposed to oily stains. If you've ever spilt your greasy dish on the carpet, you are painfully aware of how tough to remove these stains are. Fortunately, you can depend on another natural ingredient to take care of the mess: baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the oily stain and let the ingredient sit for at least a few hours, then vacuum clean the area. The goal here is for baking soda to absorb as much of the spill as possible, rather than to eliminate it. This way you would get a lighter, less stubborn stain to remove. Number 6. Say goodbye to old spots. Finally, you found the time to address those ugly old stains on your beige carpet, but how could you restore the rug effortlessly? The solution is really simple: shaving cream. Rub a generous amount of the product into the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. The treatment is great when you are faced with typical dirt like carpets tend to attract. As a bonus, after the procedure, your carpet would feel so soft, as if you just got it from the showroom. Mastering these genius carpet cleaning hacks is a must for anyone who opted for carpeted floors. As long as you rely on smart solutions to take care of your investment, you would be able to preserve it in top condition for years ahead. Consider the help of trained cleaning professionals such as the ones at FastKlean. Our company can help you deal with home cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how our cleaning company can help you. Feel free to share our videos with other people. including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.